Hi and welcome to Cebuana News. Few hours before Miss International Queen Philippines 2023 coronation, let's take a look back to the first ever Cebuana transgender who won the most prestigious transgender pageant in the world. To dream is something everyone can do. But to live a dream, only a few can do. Luckily, one of the few dreamers and believers is a Cebuana transgender woman who fought for her dreams and made a mark as the first Miss International Queen Philippines. Fuchsia and Ravina, 26, a Bogo City native, not only made her hometown proud but also the transgender community in Cebu. It took Fuchsia 5 years to complete her transition. I started my transition when I joined Queen of Cebu in 2013. I was inspired by my best friend. I see her so feminine, it challenged me a lot because it cost me money to undergo hormone replacement therapy, and I'm so grateful because my family is very supportive in everything that I do, she said. Fuchsia was able to make her transition dreams come true with the help of her poultry business. This beauty queen has been joining beauty pageants since she was 14 and she just couldn't let being part of the Miss International Queen Philippines pass her by. I joined Miss International Queen Philippines because this is really my dream, she said.
Fuchsia pink because I can see fuchsia not just a feminine color, but it is a strong, independent transgender woman like me.
Fuchsia and Ravina was crowned Miss International Queen 2022 on Saturday, June 25th. The event was held in Thailand and became the third Filipino to take the title home. The contest, touted as the world's largest and most popular transgender pageant, was held after 2 years of suspension due to the COVID pandemic. Fuchsia and Ravina, who is also a businesswoman, won against 22 other contestants in the competition to succeed Mexico's Valentina Fleischer. After Trixie Maristila in 2015 and Kevin Ballat in 2012, Fuchsia and Ravina is the third Filipina to win the Miss International Queen title. The contestants were questioned on how they will promote equality during the final round of questions and answers if they win the pageant. Ravina's winning answer was,
"We'll start it by influencing other people to spread love, peace, and unity to have world equality. Because after all, we all live under one sky and we breathe the same air. And we all live from differences where love is universal." Chandrakun Pratitay Naka. Chandrakun Pratitay.
Thank you. Thank you very much to Miss Philippines.
The new Miss International Queen goes to the Philippines! And that means
Colombia's Jasmine Jimenez got placed as the first runner-up, while France's Ila Chanel was placed in the second position. To the next Miss International Queen Philippines, have a fruitful reign. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our page for more updates.